everyone, welcome to Beauty First in 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm so happy to have you on my channel. And today we're going to go through a massive purse haul unboxing. So I went and shopped a little too much and I got 2 bags from Kate Spade and I also got a purse at TJ Maxx. So we're going to go through these, so let's dive in, and I will have all of these items linked in the description box down below. So this first one I'm so excited for. I saw this at Kate Spade and I was like, oh, I have to have that. So this is Ginger the Fox. Oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? You've got this little tail here, and then you've got this little keyhole ring. So let's take a look at Ginger the Fox and see how much room we actually do have in here, because I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so, I mean, it's a decent size. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to fit my phone in there, but, you know, you could get some credit cards and some change. If you had like lip gloss, hand sanitizer, I think those will all fit in here. So this is meant to really kind of be a bag charm. For me, I'm probably gonna carry it as an actual purse and then just put my cell phone in my pocket, but oh my gosh, I'm just gonna bring that in so you can see how adorable this purse is. Oh my goodness. And this is in the shade Biscotti, and this was $158. Okay, this next one, I'm sure they released it as a Christmas purse, but I don't really think it's a Christmas purse, so I still bought it anyway. I think this is more of a winter purse because it's white. So this is their 3D tree purse, and I'm not actually sure how you get inside here, but this one is supposed to be 6 inches high by 4 inches by 4 inches. So should have enough room to get my phone in here. So I guess that just goes up and then, oh, and this pops open. Okay, so let's take care of some of the stuffing in here. Oh, this one's gonna be tight too. This is also kind of a small purse. Let's see here. Now, I should be able to fit my phone in here, but that's because I have a flip phone. If you have a regular size phone, it is not fitting in the little 3D tree. So it does have a magnetic closure. It's got this wristlet strap, and this is actually really cute, but I think this is great for all winter long. It's white, it's not green with all kinds of sparkles and things on it. So this is gonna be kind of my winter purse. I'm very excited about this. Now, this was $349, but again, like I said, there's lots of sales going on, so just kind of keep track on that. But yeah, I think this is really cute. I'm excited to open it again and take a look. There's no slip pockets or anything on the inside, but you know, you're gonna be able to fit, if you have a flip phone like me, your phone will fit. And I'll put a picture of that just to confirm that that is true. But you can get your wallet in here, and this is really cute. And it's got the Kate Spade logo on the bottom. This is all leather. The Ginger Fox purse was suede and leather. This is really cute. I'm excited about that. Okay, this next purse we're gonna go through, and then we'll go through the last one from Kate Spade. So I went into TJ Maxx, and I was just kind of perusing through all the purses that they had, and I came across this one, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. So I'll try to go back here so you can kind of see this. This is by Madden NYC. So you've got, first of all, like this little zip pocket here. So let's just take a look and see what this looks like. Okay, this is actually, this is a little bit roomier than the Fox purse, but you've got that there. And then this is the part that sold it for me. You've got this little tiny horse. Then there's just some other charms that you don't need. And then there was this little boot. So I'll bring that in. So you got the sparkly boat, and then you have this little horse, and this was only $35. It's kind of corduroy. And then I'll bring the print here where you can see it says Madden Girl, but it's got the cowboy hats, it's got the horseshoes, and then in the front you do have a slip pocket right here, and then obviously you have this long strap. Let's take a look on the inside. So exciting. This purse, so I have an outfit in mind very specifically for this purse, so I'll throw that up there so you can kind of see it. But I just saw this purse and I was like, this is made for that outfit I have at home. Okay, so inside here, we don't have any additional slip pockets, but we do have a lot of room. So this one, your phone will fit in easily, and your wallet, and your hand sanitizer, your lip gloss, whatever you want to bring. So this one, super cute, and I'll show you with styled with the outfit. And this one is on kind of its own little separate thing. I'm probably going to take off like this little keychain part here. I think it just gets a little busy. It really kind of featured the boot and the horse. I wanted to come back and just give an update on this bag because I found a hidden surprise. There were so many like tags, and there was the strap and all the things on it. So I kind of reorganized the bag a little bit. So I just kind of put the little horse right here with his little stirrup, which I did not notice at all before, that he's got this little stirrup. I think that's cute. I put the boot on one of the chains that was holding the strap. And then over on this side, I never even saw this, but it's got individual charms. So it's got a horse, it's got a cowboy hat, it's got a little horseshoe and a cowboy boot. And I just thought that made this bag so much cooler than it already was. So I just think this little chain is so neat. So I didn't want there a bunch of stuff to be over there because I didn't see it at all either. And then I took that one little light brown and white one off. So I think this bag is much more simpler and a lot more cute now that I've been able to get all the stuff off. So just wanted to give an update. Okay, so the last purse we have is also from Kate Spade. And this one retailed for $429. Again, lots of sales. Let's take a look at this. So this is a different purse than what I normally get. You know, it's kind of like you always need a little black dress. I felt like I just needed a little black purse, you know, without any of kind of like the crazy stuff I usually get on this. So this one here is, you know, definitely very roomy. So this one is 9 inches by 5.5 by 8 inches. And you've got a slip pocket in the front here. And then let's take a look on the inside. But I just think this purse looks, you know, kind of timeless, really classy. But I just thought this was a really good bag. You know, I have a lot of crazy bags. I have Ferris wheels. I have taco trucks. I have everything. So I thought it was nice to have like a really classy bag like this one. And I do like that it has the little footers, so it'll kind of sit on a table really well. So thanks for joining me in my purse haul. And like I said, I will have all these items linked in the description box down below. I'd love it if you give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you consider subscribing and becoming part of the Beauty First in 10 family. I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.